Hi everyone! Welcome back to Travel Wander Queen. Today, we're diving into the delicious and unique foods of Limburg, a stunning region in southern Netherlands. Known for its rolling hills, charming villages, and friendly locals, Limburg also has a rich culinary heritage. Let's check out some must-try dishes that reflect the heart and soul of this region. Food in Limburg is more than just a meal. It's a deeply emotional experience that connects you to the region's rich history and the warmth of its people. Each dish carries a story, whether it's a recipe passed down for generations or a unique flavor that reflects the region's blend of Dutch, Belgian, and German influences. When you take a bite, you're not only tasting ingredients, but also stepping into the heart of Limburg's culture and the pride of its people. Bitterballen. Let's start with a true Dutch classic, bitterballen. Bitterballen are small, deep-fried balls with a crispy crust and a savory filling, often made from shredded beef, broth, and seasonings. While these are popular all over the Netherlands, Limburg locals have their own twist. They might use local meat or add herbs like mustard seeds to give them an extra bite. These are perfect as a snack with a cold beer, making them a favorite at local bars or when you bite into one, be careful. The inside is creamy and hot. When you enjoy a plate of Limburg-style bitterballen, it's not just about savoring the flavor. It's about feeling that lively, social atmosphere of the local, where friends and family come together to share stories and laughter over a round of drinks and snacks. Eating these crispy bites, you feel connected to the people around you, to the culture of sharing and enjoying life's little pleasures. Limburgse vlaai. Another iconic treat is Limburgse vlaai, a type of pie that's incredibly popular in this region. Vlaai is traditionally made with a yeasted dough crust and filled with fresh fruit like cherries, plums, or apricots, or sometimes with rice pudding. It's different from other Dutch pastries because of its lighter, fluffy texture. You'll often see these beautifully crafted pies in bakeries, where they're decorated with a lattice top. Limburg locals take their vlaai seriously, and some families even have secret recipes passed down through generations. A slice of vlaai with a dollop of whipped cream is an absolute must. Limburgse vlaai holds a special place in the hearts of locals. Often served at family gatherings and celebrations, each slice represents warmth and togetherness. There's a certain joy and nostalgia in tasting the fruit fillings and knowing that these flavors have been enjoyed by countless generations. The act of slicing into a vlaai and sharing it is like partaking in a beloved family tradition. It's an experience that brings people closer. Zuurvlees. Next up is zuurvlees, a traditional Limburg stew. The name translates to sour meat, and it's made by marinating beef, or sometimes horse meat, in vinegar, spices, and even gingerbread to add a touch of sweetness. The meat is slow cooked until tender, creating a rich, tangy stew that's perfect for chilly days. Zuurvlees is typically served with fries or bread, and the combination of sweet and sour flavors is truly unique to Limburg. You'll find this hearty dish in many family-run restaurants across the region. Zuurvlees, with its rich and comforting flavors, is often described as a taste of home by Limburg locals. When you take that first bite, it's easy to see why. The sweet and sour notes bring a sense of comfort, almost like a hug in a bowl, reminding you of winter nights spent around the dinner table. For many, this dish brings back memories of family dinners, creating a bond that's felt in every tender bite of the stew. Mosterd soep. For soup lovers, Limburg has a special treat, mosterd soep or mustard soup. Unlike anything you'll find in other parts of the Netherlands, this creamy soup is made from whole grain mustard, which gives it a tangy kick. The recipe often includes leeks, onions, and potatoes, and it's sometimes topped with crispy bacon bits for extra flavor. Served with a slice of hearty Limburg bread, this dish has a wonderful balance of warmth and zing. Mosterd soep isn't just a bowl of soup, it's a warm embrace on a chilly day. The creamy texture and sharp mustard taste bring a feeling of warmth that's both physical and emotional. Locals know it as the kind of dish that makes you feel instantly at home, whether you're new to the region or have been here your entire life. The comforting flavor and familiar ingredients make you feel like you belong. If you want to explore even more, don't miss the local food markets, where you'll find an abundance of regional products like Limburg's cheese and shutter meat. These markets are perfect spots to sample and pick up locally sourced ingredients and see how the locals embrace their culinary traditions. So, there you have it, a small taste of Limburg's unique flavors. From the savory bites of bitterballen to the rich sweetness of Limburg's evlei, this region has something special for every food lover. Be sure to add Limburg to your travel list and let your taste buds explore these wonderful dishes. So, as you savor each bite of Limburg's unique foods, know that you're also sharing in the emotional depth of this special region. Each flavor, each ingredient has been crafted with love and pride, offering you a taste of the heart of Limburg. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and remember, every meal is a story waiting to be tasted.